to pay Shein using GGives. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to pay on your Shein account using your GGives. So GGives is the basically ultra accessible installment loan services that provided by GCash that can help you make lighter and more flexible payments while using the GGives payment method option. So basically just simply open your Shein account, and after that just select the product that you would want to buy from the Shein website, and after that put that product into your cart, and after that just simply go to the cart section, and over here you will be able to see the product that you have added and that you would want to buy from your Shein account. And after that, on the right hand side of the screen, you will be able to see all the payment methods that are available in the Shein account as of now. Just simply click on checkout now, and after that just select the GCash and log into your GCash account, and choose the GGives as your payment method in the GCash app. And after that just select the installment options and select your preferred installment plan and agree to the closure statement, and after that just tap on pay with GGives, and this way you will be able to make the purchase happen using your GGives account into your Shein. So that's how you will be able to do it. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.